In this video, I am going to talk about 8 ways in which you can make money or start a profitable and in-demand business even if you have a 9-to-5 job and create multiple streams of income. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel we talk about ways that we can make money online, saving and investment, ways to improve yourself, productivity, and accountability. So if this is something that you will love, then you can subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So the first one that I want to talk to you about, the first 4 that I want to talk to you about are jobs that can be done online, right? So the first one is that you can offer online tutoring services, or you can teach a specific service in a specific area, right? So for example, you know about teaching English online. If you have experience, or if you're a teacher and you're knowledgeable in a particular subject area, such as maybe chemistry, physics, biology, or even at the university level, where if you are fluent, or you're great at for example, project management or operations, research, or whatever courses that are being done right now, you can offer that as a teaching service online, as well as tutoring students, right? In order, those who may be struggling to pass a particular course or subject, you can offer that as a service and get paid even if you have a 9-to-5 job, and create multiple streams of income, right? So the next one is that you can become an affiliate marketer. Many of us, we purchase things from different marketplace, either Amazon or eBay or wherever. There are so many stores that are online, maybe Nike, Adidas, wherever. You can sign up to become an affiliate and promote those products and services, right? So things that you use, it will be easier to promote things that you know and people and things that you use, right? Because those things you can easily talk about. You can talk about the pros about it, using this thing, and how it has impacted your life, or how it has benefited your life, or maybe your family, or whatever it is. So probably you had a issue with your skin, or like probably eczema, and you use a particular product on your face or your body, and you use it for a particular time, and you have seen drastic improvement in your issues, right? Your skin is smoother, it's clearer, and all that, and you feel more confident, and you're bold, and all of those things. So you can be an affiliate marketer for that type of product, right? And when persons click on the link, you will earn a commission. So you will watch a lot of videos, and you will hear of persons who talk about a particular product, and they will say to you that you can check the link in their bio where you can purchase it, and when you purchase it, they will get a commission when you make that purchase. All right, so number 3 in the online space is that you can become a translator. All right, so you know that English is the universal language, but there are some persons who may have challenges speaking English. So you can become a translator for that person, right? So when they are speaking, you can translate into English, so that other persons can know exactly what they are talking about. And this is a very great opportunity in which you can create an additional source of income, and you can offer this service on freelancing websites like Fiverr. That's the one that I use, or you can use Upwork or freelancer.com, right? So you can create a profile on those websites, on those freelancing sites, and start offering that service. You can also create your own website, or you can, start promoting your service on social media platform, right? Such as maybe Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever social media platform is comfortable for you. You can start offering your online translation service, right, and start getting paid, right? The number 4, which I think a lot of persons would love, is to start an e-commerce store, right? So you can start selling products and services. You can sell your own product on those platforms, or you can sell other products, right? So maybe from just generally from anywhere, right? So it can be something that you personally create, or you can sell other products from name brand products, and you can sell them on your website, right? And you can start making some additional income even if you have a 9-to-5 job, right? So there are 3 free websites that you can start with. One is Equid, the other one is Big Cartel, and there's always eBay, which is not hard to join, and you can start selling on eBay, right? So those are 3 like easy websites, online platforms that are there that you can start sell products and service and have your own e-commerce store, right? So we are going to talk about the offline now, because not many persons love the online space. So we are going to talk about 4 profitable businesses that you can start and start making some money, right? And number 1, you can start a small business like a baking, business. So if you love to bake like puddings, cakes, cupcakes, whatever baking idea that you have, or recipes that you have, you can start that as a small business. I know for a fact that some persons love baking, and even when they have their 9-to-5 jobs, they would bake like a cake, like maybe a banana bread, a carrot cake, or cupcakes, and they will carry it to the office and sell it and make some money, right? So many persons start from there, and they start and they build their clientele, right, until there is interest in their products, and therefore some persons can branch off and do it on a larger scale to serve more persons, right? And sometimes they still have their 9-to-5 job, right? So you can start a small business like that, right? And many persons will tell you that sometimes their small business starts from when they are working their 9-to-5 job, right? They come with their little products and they sell it to their co-workers and their friends, and the co-workers tell other persons, and that's how their business grows, right? So the other one is that you can become a mobile beauty professional. So you can, if you have a vehicle, you can offer services like you do braiding, because braiding is a big thing in Jamaica now. Braiding is a big thing, big business. So you may have a lot of persons who may not have the time, right? Because of family, they have a 9-to-5 job. Sometimes they come in late, they don't really have the time, or even on weekends they don't have the time to go and sit at a salon and wait, right? Because there are times when you go there, and even if you make an appointment, sometimes it's delayed, right? So sometimes some persons don't really have the time for that. So you can offer that service as being a mobile beauty professional, where you can come and you can visit the persons, make appointment, you come, you braid their hair in the comfort of their home. If they probably want to put on a wig, you can install a wig, because not many persons are good at installing wigs and all of those things, so you can do that for them. Or whatever hair care thing that you can offer, you can also provide that as a service. You can also do like manicure, pedicure. You can also do like nails, right? And nails is a big thing. Or install lashes, you name it. Once it is beauty, you will make money. So as I said, you can start that. If you have a vehicle and you're passionate about this thing, you can start letting persons know that you offer in-house service like that, and share it on your social media pages. You can tell your friends, you tell your families, and you can even promote flyers, even within your community. You can issue flyers within your community and let them know that you provide this type of service. So you will come and you will do their lashes, their install wigs, or the braid their hair, or do the manicure or pedicure. And even not only for persons who have 9-to-5 jobs, but sometimes like the elderly persons, maybe some of them can't really stay out for long, like go to the hairdresser and sit down there and wait for long periods of time. So you can also service those persons as well, because they still want to be trendy and still maybe want to do the hair or install a wig, or maybe not so much the lashes, but like the nails and the manicure and pedicure and all of those things. So you can think about that and offer that as a service, right? So the next one is you can start a local cleaning business or service, and you can specialize into just servicing commercial properties, right? There are so many commercial businesses around, like banks, other organizations that need cleanup at the end of the day and stuff like that. So you can specialize into offering your services to those clients. And also another one that you can think about is to offer it also to Airbnb properties, right? Because that every time when a customer leaves the property, it has to be cleaned, right? It has to cleaned and set up for the next customer to come in. So you can offer your service in that area. So you can just go, you can call Airbnb owners and find out or tell them that you're offering this type of service. And as I said, you have to promote your service on social media platforms, word of mouth, or flyers, or whatever it is, to let people know that you are offering this service, right? Because if you don't promote your business, then persons are not gonna know about that you exist and you offer this type of service, right? And you can maybe even say that you're gonna offer this cleaning service to like families, like household, because that sometimes like parents sometimes don't really have the time to do like deep cleaning in their house, and sometimes they need some help, like probably on the weekends. The week may be rough for them with the children and all of that. So you can offer that type of service to families as well, right? And the last one that I want to talk to you about is that you can become a fitness instructor, right? So you can offer your services at gyms. And also what I realize is that you can also offer it like at your local community center, or even go to different community centers and see that you're offering this service there, because Not many persons love to go to the gym, but they may be comfortable like going to their community center and knowing that there is a fitness instructor that is there who is able to help them and all of that. So that is something that you can think about. You can even offer like boot camps, right? So you can like say for every Saturday or every Sunday, whatever day in the week, on the weekend, you see that you gonna offer this service between maybe 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock, training on fitness and all of that, and get persons out, because you know that many of us not doing exercise, right? And that leads to non-communicable diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and all other forms of illnesses, right? So just by being a fitness instructor, you can offer that service and to get persons to move, and you can make some money. You understand? Even if you have a 9 to 5 job, you can offer this on the weekend. And the bonus one that I want to leave you with is you can become a coach or a mentor, or just be there for somebody. You can coach someone along, and offering consultation services for if you persons want to reach out to you for in-depth conversation about a particular area or something that they want to start, which I do. So you can, if you're interested and all that, and if you want a one-on-one consultation with me, there is a link below where you can just make an appointment, and we can talk, right? So that is something that I offer, and that is something that you can do. So if you're have experience in a particular area, then you can offer that as a service, guys. And guys, finally, I created a free ebook, which is a 111 profitable ways to make money online and offline and create multiple streams of income. Guys, I'm gonna leave it the link in the description. You can get it. It will give you ideas as to ways that you can make money that sometimes probably you didn't even think about. So I'm asking, you can get it. I'm gonna leave it in the description that you can go through. And as I said, if you need further assistance, you can always reach out to me. It's the link, the information is in the guide as well, and I'm gonna leave it in the description of this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learn something from it, or even if you learn, it will bring something back to mind that you can start. Because honestly, guys, having one source of income is next to zero, and in this time when things are so expensive, inflation is going through the roof and all of that, you need to have multiple streams of income. And sometimes just the very thing that you even do at work, you can offer it as a side hustle or a side job, right? And create an additional source of income, or something that is totally separate from what you do at work, right? That you're passionate about. So you can think about those things and start making some extra money. So guys, if you really love the content, please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, please share the videos, and let me know in the comment which one you will do, or if you have any other suggestions, just let me know in the comments. So take care, guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.